Hey, it's Adrian from Contact Mapping, and I am so excited to show you how contact mapping can work with your Instagram connections. So I'm going to pull up my friend Elizabeth, who works with me here at Contact Mapping, and I'm going to add her Instagram to her account so that then I can message her, I can check her out on Instagram before I reach out to her. It all is so easy. So here she is. I pulled her up on my phone, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press that little edit button on her account, and then I'm going to go in here under Instagram and I'm going to enter her credentials, which are eTransform you. So I'm going to type that in there, and as soon as I finish that, what I'll be able to do is in one tap I can go straight over to her Instagram and I can see what she's been up to. I can message her right from there. It's all super easy. But then it gets even better with our Chrome extension. So now when I go over to our Chrome extension, let's say she and I have been having a conversation back and forth on Instagram, and I now want to be able to take that and pull it into my contact mapping notes where it's easy for me to search it, where I have all the history of our conversations in one place. I can literally do that by just clicking on that little button right there that says clip conversation, and boom, it's all saved into my contact mapping app. So easy. Can't wait for you to try this. Go check it out right now. Click the button below.